Hey there, in this quick video I'll show you how to disable the iPhone's camera button, which is right here on the right hand side. So all we need to do for this is go to Settings, then on this main menu scroll down a little bit and you'll see Accessibility. Just press that. Now in this accessibility menu we want to scroll down and scroll a little bit further until you see Camera Control. Press that, and just at the top here it says click Camera Control to open a camera app. Then click again to use Camera Control as a shutter. Light press to make adjustments. So what we want to do is toggle this off, and this will instantly turn off this camera button. So I'm going to press the button here. I have it just underneath my finger. I'm pressing, and there is no reaction. The camera button has been disabled. If you want to enable it again, you just go back to Settings, you go back to Accessibility, you scroll down a little bit, and you go to Camera Control, and you toggle that back on. So I hope that's helped. Let me know in the comments why you're disabling your camera button. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.